down. Have you seen the Wookiee? Here we go.
You didn't see any stormtroopers? Right sounds?
Are we expecting? Yes, one more question. One more building? And then one more.
Wonderful. So we have one builder per station, please. Right now.
Next builder. Next builder. Next builder.
My name is Carla, and we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. As gatherers, we go all around the galaxy to abandoned places, forgotten outposts, bringing back precious artifacts for you. If a stormtrooper were to come in, all of this, all of it, would look like junk. But we know it's worth. Builders, this are troubled times. And in this troubled times, we put stories of legends. Legends like the one from Luke Skywalker. And now, our newest Jedi, our spark of hope. Do you know who I'm talking about? Rey. Yes! And that's where you're here, builders. You're here because you've answered that call, right?
Yes.
You're here to build this. The lightsaber. To build a lightsaber is a form of art. It is beautiful and mysterious. It has been held by our greatest heroes and our strongest enemies. It is a connection between every single one of you builders to the Force. And today you will feel that connection. At its core, let's try this. The Kyber crystal. The Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. It is able to focus the energy of the Force and magnifies it. The color of your crystal will depict the color of your blade. And today we have 4 colors for you builders to choose from. Starting with this one, our blue. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his young apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and now, Rey. Green. Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, Luke Skywalker. Violet, our most rare and beautiful crystal, once wielded by Master Mace Windu. Red, the crystal of power, once held by Darth Vader, Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, and now, Kylo Ren. But enough about them, builders. They are our past. We're here for you, our future. Builders, close your eyes for me, please. Close them, I can see you. Close your eyes. I want you to feel that Kyber crystal reaching out to you. What color do you see? Let the Force be your guide to your choice. Builders, open your eyes and pick your crystal. Once you have your Kyber crystal, please place it on the green holder right in front of you. Now, to wield such power, you need a hilt. My fellow gatherers and I are going to come around, placing in front of you boxes with your sacred pieces from your previous selection. worry, we'll be going over them shortly. Builders, in front of you, you have your chassis where your cover crystal would go. You have 4 grips. You have your emitter where your blade is going to emit from, your pommel, and your activation plates. These are a set. You cannot mix and match in between them. Builders, are you ready to build?
Yes.
Builders, are you ready?
Yes.
Perfect. Let's build.
Wonderful. Builders,
We're gonna
going
get into
to
our
start
chassis,
with
builders.
Everyone hold your chassis.
Window
We're going to
side
go ahead and
up.
start with your
Window side
chassis.
up.
To put your cover crystal inside, the top of
We're
your
gonna take our header
chassis is a
crystal,
spring.
place it in the
Go ahead
housing
and
chamber
push this
here.
up so you can make
Spring
enough room
at the
for your
top.
cover crystal.
Bottom notch.
It should give you enough wiggle room to place your cover
If you need
crystal.
assistance, please let us know.
We're looking for it to sing as well as light up our chassis.
Wonderful. So now you notice from the side of your chassis,
Excellent.
there's a
Now, we're gonna
Builders, when and ever you move on the side of your chassis, you have blue and red tabs. You're gonna go ahead and choose your activation plates. Section 5, activation plates. Inside your
Activation plates in
you have
section
blue
5.
and red tabs. You're gonna match red to red, blue to blue. Your activation plate, section 5.
will correspond to
You're gonna match red to red, blue to blue. Just a
And
reminder.
as Carla said earlier,
These are a
no
set.
mixing and
You
matching.
cannot mix and match.
you do have to choose the pair. You will match red with red and blue with blue.
Red to red, blue to blue.
So now you want to choose super sleeves. So notice on your
You
sleeves.
will literally go
When
right on top.
you're ready to move on, you can go ahead and choose your sleeves. You have 4 choices. Go ahead and pick 2 for the top of your grill, which is where the lights are lighting the chassis, and the other side of the bottom.
Of the 4 grips.
It is completely up to you, builders, what you put on the top and the
It doesn't
bottom.
matter how you orient them on top or bottom. What does matter, the thick green needs to be towards your activation plates.
The thicker band, it's always going to go towards the middle. Thicker band towards the middle. Thicker band towards the middle. Once you have them in there, go ahead and give them a turn. Screw them right into place.
And one of your pommels for the bottom.
Once your grips,
So now you can choose one of your emitters for the top, one of your pommels for the bottom, and you're done.
to go over the wall and the top.
So now you can choose one of your emitters for the top, and one of your pommels.
This is the thread.
If you will not want it. You can also use You can choose
Is this your switch? Yep, nothing's wrong.
I've only just heard of this group. I only happen to know of the UK. And literature from all
We're gonna switch out your chest.
chambers to stabilize your crystals. This must be done by a practiced hand. It takes years to master this technique. Fortunately for you builders, we just ended our 2 weeks of training. Stand back. Stand back. That's what I said.
Whose was that?
I don't know if this is staying.
Okay. Go ahead. Yes? Perfect.
If it explodes, don't blame me.
Hey, you make my perfect mask.
Perfect.
It's not cool.
Yes, ma'am.
My perfect.
Now, builders.
Well done. Chosen a heart skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined they are much more they will become. For you, it is done.
Master Yoda. Indeed, it is time. Builders, on my mark, you will take a step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and together we will forge the bond between you and your lightsaber. Builders, are we ready?
Ready?
Yes.
Are we ready? Yes. Perfect. Take a step forward. Place your hand on your hilt. And activate. Please raise your lightsaber. For you have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, please lower and deactivate your lightsaber. Congratulations.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like your path, it can. Choose your path. Only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda, and thank you, builders, for making us part of your journey. Now, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. Protecting your lightsaber, we're pleased to present to you a saber sheath as you depart. Savvy builders, our time together has come to an end, but your journey is just beginning. It is your time to make your mark on the galaxy. And who knows, perhaps one day we'll be back here telling your stories.